getting a trailer disconnected fault. I'm gonna check the wiring inside the axle tube, see if that's the issue. Yeah, usually on these trucks, they're pretty accurate. Like if it's saying trailer disconnected or there's a fault, it's usually not on the truck. Butt connectors are shrunk wrap, pull the wire through the tubing, then inspect the factory wiring. I didn't see any brakes on this, so. All right, rear axle did not have a brake in it. Let's see the front axle. Butt connectors are shrunk wrap. Oh, there's a brake right there. So front axle had a little bit of a brake. Rear axle was good, but since you said those on 10, I'm gonna say the magnets are done. All right, there was one brake in the line on the front, so that was rubbing on the inside. He was also saying that his brake controller's set to 10. And usually when anything's set to 10 and it's still not braking, it smokes the magnets and smokes the magnet surface on the trailer parts itself. I brought the wrong hub and drums. I brought 9/16 by 18. I'm gonna run back to my storage, grab 1/2-inch 20s, driver's side front. Oh yeah. Oh, your hub's good on this at least. We're flat, I just need to clean that. Yeah, everything's good. Backing plates are gonna be changed though. Bearing's not smashed on the backing plate. Right. Driver's side's off. Wiring's clear of the mounting. Ooh, let's pack up and drums. Magnet surface and brakes shoe surface is still good. Just need to clean all this out. And checking seals, 2 1/4. Driver side front, cotter pin verified. Driver side rear, cotter pin verified. Go till you can't spin it, back it off. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Go till you can't spin, back it off. And there we go, slightly rubbing. And wiring brakes up. And zip tied U-bolts, enough play for suspension. And wiring brakes on the rear. Zip tied to the U-bolt, enough play for suspension to work. Driver side rear free spinning, driver side front free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, front locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning, sweet, brakes work. Breakaway is engaged, front locked up, breakaway works. Back in, and brakes are free spinning, sweet. All right, passenger side rear. There it is, right there. This one's got some grooves in it, so I'm gonna change this one hub. Right there is where it's gonna give them the fault. How did that even happen? Oh, there we go. Wiring came off, came down, found it. There's the issue at hand. Passenger side front. Yeah, this did the same thing. Not as bad as that one though. This hub's still good. I'm gonna change this one because it's got grooving on the magnet surface. So you just need 1 hub, 3 are good, and 4 backing plates. Passenger side rear, cotter pin verified. Passenger side front, cotter pin verified. Go till you can't spin. Back off, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Passenger side front done. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. Passenger side rear adjusted. Front passenger free spinning, rear passenger free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. And torquing lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued. Right, checking lights. Front are good. Passenger side is good. Right turns on and working. Left turns on and working. Marker lights work, and marker lights down driver's side are working except for one. Looks like it's got some water in it. I'll let him know on that. But all lights work. Let's do the rundown on that. 4 new backing plates, 1 new hub and drum, 3 hub and drums were good. Just had to clean them up because the seals blew. Main issue was the passenger side rear magnet wiring got tangled up in the magnet, loose copper under the hub and drum, and it was shorting out the system. There was a break in the axle wiring as well. Fixed that. I changed both sets of wire in the axles. All brakes adjusted. New bearings, new seals, new grease. All lights and wiring work. This job's done. I'm on to the next.